Hi there, this is Princess Gumabon from Pinay Boss Daily. Gusto mo bang malaman kung ano yung sekretong na-discover ko on why I was able to earn my first 1 million on the internet when I was 22? Naipag-retire at na-quit ko na rin yung aking pamilya, yung magulang ko. And until now, I'm teaching thousands of students nationwide in the Philippines kung paano nga ba nila matututunan yung digital marketing. By the way, I have been traveling the world for 11 years. I left my house in Cavite na kung saan ginagawa ko noon yung mga online businesses ko, and at the age of 19, maaga kong na-realize na wala sa pagiging empleyado yung success sa buhay. I have been traveling and living in different cities of the world, and ngayon nga, nandito ako sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Meron akong natutunan na napakahalaga pala ng internet marketing sa negosyo mo. Napakahalaga na maiposisyon mo yung business mo online para maraming nakakakita nito sa social media. Napakahalaga rin na targeted yung mga grupo ng tao na tina-target mo to join your business and to actually learn with you. So kung gusto mong matutunan yung internet marketing, I highly recommend na mag-comment ka ng yes sa baba dahil ito lang yung nakatulong sa akin on how to position my business from offline to online. Dahil dito, nag-grow ko yung business ko, running my business behind my laptop. Kahit saang lupa-lupa ako ng cities nakatira, I can reach out to my team, I can train them dahil sa mga apps, sa mga websites, tools, at iba't ibang marketing platform and digital strategies and latest online marketing strategies na natutunan ko. So, kung nahihirapan ka sa business mo, how to position it from offline to online, mag-comment ka lang ng yes sa baba because I believe that this free training will teach you, okay, how to be a real online marketer na nagpapatakbo ng business mo behind your computer anywhere you are in the world, no matter what profession you are in, okay, anytime and any day, this will run for you on autopilot. So kung excited ka nang malaman yan, simply comment yes sa baba because I am going to share to you how you can learn how to position your business from offline to online. Again, disclaimer lang, I do not guarantee an income. Hindi ako katulad ng ibang marketer that will actually promise you a lot of things. Isa lang yung may pangako ko sa'yo that if you will actually lock arms with me and gusto mong matuto, mag-commit talaga ng time to learn, okay? Dahil hindi madali. You have to dedicate time, effort, and commitment to learn. At kung ikaw yung tao na yon, I believe you will comment yes sa baba because this is something that can help you, okay, maximize your earning potential when it comes to earning with your business today. Again, this is Princess Gumabon from Pinay Boss Daily. I always say that be your own boss, okay, and live the life with time and financial freedom. And always believe in yourself, okay? If other people can do it, you can do it too. Comment yes sa baba para maipadala ko na sa'yo yung free online training. Have a great day and goodbye.